everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family, yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Good morning, people. How are you guys doing? It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another grocery baking and cooking for the family video. Yes, I am. um, Today I am making banana muffins, and I have made them differently. Two of them anyway. One is plain, one is going to have a marshmallow surprise because I'm about to push that marshmallow down in the center. And these over here have chocolate mini, those little tiny baby chocolate chips. So we have chocolate chip banana muffin, and marshmallow banana muffin. I'm going to bake these muffins after they cool. I'm going to vacuum seal them, some of them, and put them in the freezer. So what I'm doing, I guess, is making big batch sweet treat freezer, big bag. Did I say big bag? Y'all know I mean big batch, big bag. Ha ha ha. I'm making big batch freezer, big batch sweet treat freezer, stored to be stored in the freezer. I'm making big batch sweets, and I'm going to store them in the freezer after I vacuum seal them in my food saver bags. Yes. And I don't know if I'm ever going to get a food freezer, that thing that freezes. Now that's a lovely machine. I know it strains on the electric bill, and it also, I think they say it's a little noisy. I guess no more than a dehydrator, because it's noisy too, and it take a while to dehydrate. But a food freezer, I'm enjoying watching folks videos that have this type of kitchen equipment. Amazing. I love it. But yeah, I got up this morning. I said, let me go ahead on and make my muffins. Next, I'm going to do the blueberries. And I'm also making apple peach turnovers too. I'm going to bake them in the oven. Last time I did it, I cooked them in the air fryer, which was amazing. The air fryer turnovers are delicious. This time I'm going to bake them in the oven. But I just wanted to come through here and share with y'all what the heck I'm doing this morning. Big batch sweet treat bacon. That's what I'm in here doing. Big batch bacon, big batch sweet treat bacon is what I'm in here doing. I'm cooking and baking for my family. Yes, I am. They are going to enjoy these muffins. Yesterday, I fried chicken. I did have a little clip I was supposed to put on the short, but I didn't do it as of yet. Well, yesterday we had fried chicken. I fried a big batch of fried chicken. It was delicious. And I had several seasonings I had put in my flour mixture. The chicken came out so tasty. I mean, very, very tasty, moist, nice crunch on the chicken skin. Yeah. So, yeah, the skin was crunchy, not hard, crunchy, like crispy crunchy. It was so delicious. As a matter of fact, I had me a piece this morning. But yeah, so right now I'm doing big batch sweet treat bacon, and I'm going to store these extra muffins in vacuum sealed bags, put them in the freezer, so my family and I can have a muffin whenever, you know, we feel like some muffins. I got my, you know, I got the biscuits, which I need to make some more biscuits. I vacuum sealed biscuits. I vacuum sealed corn muffins, which I need to make some more corn muffins. So with the peach and apple turnovers, I'm making a big batch of those too. So it's gonna be freeze. Y'all know what I'm saying. Vacuum seal and put in the freezer too. So that's what's going on. I have some avocados that I want to vacuum seal because I've been eating a lot of avocado with my salad. Ooh, I love my salads. So I'm going to prep my avocado and vacuum seal it because I don't want my avocado going bad before I eat it. I can use avocado in several dishes. Y'all got what y'all use your avocado in? Are you guys doing any big batch sweet treat baking? Are you doing any savory big batch freezer meal storing? I've seen on the internet, on the social media, a lot of folks they in some collaboration where they are not buying any food and just living off of their food stockpile, which makes sense. If you got a big stockpile, you got farm, you got a homestead with animals, why do you need to go to the grocery store? You got milk, eggs, butter, and some of them even they make their own vanilla and bacon powder and all that. They never need to go to the store except for, you know, rarely, not often do these folks go to the store. So I can understand how, shoot, I can do that. Live off of what I got in here without going to the store. The only thing with me is, since I'm not a homestead, as far as having animals and all that, I need eggs and fresh eggs, fresh milk, and butter, because I don't have chickens, I don't have cows, and I can't make these things. I can't have these things without, you know, going to the store. So that's what keep me in the store. So I wouldn't last very long if I'm doing bacon without the eggs and the butter and the milk. Now, can you say you get powder milk? Sure, get some powder milk. Can you get powder eggs? Sure, get some powder eggs. They even got powder butter. So I take it all back. If you want dehydrated, dried egg, dried milk, dried butter, because I have purchased dried butter before, and all that stuff you can do. If you have those products, you don't have to go to the store unless you prefer fresh. That's the only way you won't be able to be in this kind of collaboration where you say eat off what you have at home and don't go to the store for so long. I don't know how long these folks supposed to not go to the store, but who knows what folks do when the camera go off, right? Wink, wink, who knows? But anyway, it's just folks coming together and, you know, enjoying each other's social media. They're social media enjoying each other's company virtually in the collaboration. I have several collaborations going on myself. But anyway, let me get these muffins in the oven when they get done, and I'll show you that, and I'll show you the vacuum seal ones, okay? Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to support this channel. Subscribe, comment, and once you become a subscriber, it take a day before you can comment, because it's a new thing YouTube got on here. So don't get discouraged if you can't make a comment. It's because you have to subscribe, and after you subscribe, come back 24 hours so you can comment to me all you wish, okay? All right, y'all. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye. The muffins are ready. Here they go. Getting ready to be vacuum sealed after cooling. Loving it. right, guys, here I am about to put these apple turnovers into the oven. I don't have a lot, but I got enough that I'm going to vacuum seal and store in the freezer. So if I want an apple turnover, I'll have one ready. I have already made the muffins. Did I show you guys the muffins? Maybe I did. The muffins are in this big old giant bowl, ready, cool down and ready for vacuum sealing. And now I am about to put the apple turnovers in the oven to bake, cool, and then vacuum seal and freeze. Loving it, diet approved. Yum. Okay, guys, I have the apple turnovers are done, cool. I'm about to vacuum seal them and store them in the freezer. I made round ones, square ones, rectangles, circles, the pie slice looking ones, and also look, the filling came out and caramelized, the apple turnover looking ones, but they all deliciously filled with a flavorful apple pie mixture. So now I'm about to vacuum seal them. I'll be back. Give me a minute. Did I forget to say that here's the other different kinds, big old, what do you call them? Pop-Tart looking ones. Yeah, I got some Pop-Tart looking apple turnovers. Yum, diet approved. Okay, guys, I have vacuum sealed all my muffins, banana muffins, and my turnovers. And I have some cranberries. I got a few bags of cilantro, and I have some bell pepper, and I vacuum sealed these marshmallows. So everything is vacuum sealed and ready to be stored in the freezer. I can't wait. When I want a snack, I'm going to just go in the freezer and pull out a turnover, some muffins, I don't know, something sweet. And also tomorrow, I'm baking the blueberry muffins, and I'm gonna make some cranberry muffins. So 2 more berry muffins tomorrow. Today was banana and apple turnovers. I didn't do the peach. And if y'all seen the previous video, you would heard about I said I was gonna do peach and apple turnovers, but I just did the apple. Delicious. But that's what's going down. I am storing food so I don't have to, I'm storing in my baked goods. So I'm baking and cooking for the family. You know that song. Y'all hear that in my trailer with my family in the beginning of the videos. But anyway, I'm doing this. What did I say? Big batch sweet treat bacon for the freezer, so that I don't have to do all that bacon when I don't feel like baking. I'll just have something in the freezer ready to go. Now my next step after I do the sweets, I'm going to be doing meatballs. I'm going to cook some meatballs and I'm going to vacuum seal them. So stay tuned for all that. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.